All right, friends, I saw a lot of different ways to use our objects to represent and solve this problem. But before I show you some of those ways, I want to think about what we know in this problem. So remember, we closed our eyes and we made a movie in our mind of what was happening. So we heard that 5 monkeys were hanging in a tree. Remember, see them hanging in your tree in your mind? So there were 5 of them. Then 3 monkeys went to look for bananas. So in my head, I see 5 monkeys in the tree, but then 3 of them leave the tree. They went away. Do you think the number we are going to have at the end is going to be bigger or smaller if we have 5 monkeys and some of them are leaving? Is that number going to go up or down? Show me with your fingers. I think that number is going to go down. If we have some of something, in this case monkeys, and then some of it goes away, we have less of that now. So now that we already know there's 5 monkeys, and then some of them leave, 3 of them leave. Then we want to figure out how many monkeys are left, how many are still in the tree. Let me show you what some people did. So some people used their cubes, and they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got out 5 cubes. Why? Because there were 5 monkeys in the tree. So here are my 5 monkeys in the tree. Swinging in the tree, yes. But then what happened in our problem? 3 of the monkeys went to look for bananas, so they left the tree. Goodbye, 1 monkey. Goodbye, 2 monkeys. Goodbye, 3 monkeys. So now I have the 3 monkeys that left, and these are my monkeys that are still in the tree. Can you tell how many there are? There are 2. Let's check. In the beginning, we thought that our number was going to be smaller or less. Is 2 less than 5? Yes, it is. So we think there are 2 monkeys in the tree now. Let me show you a different way you might have done it. Some friends represented it with these, your fingers. We're going to start with what we know. There are 5 monkeys in the tree. Look, perfect. I have 5 fingers. Now what happened? 3 monkeys left. They went to look for bananas. So I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3. These are my monkeys that went to look for bananas, and these are my monkeys that are still in the tree. How many are still in the tree? 2. We got the same answer. That's a good sign, isn't it? Now, some friends use their counters, right? And they started with 5. Do you remember why they would have started with 5 counters? Because those are our 5 monkeys that are in the tree. But then they moved some of those monkeys away because how many monkeys went to look for bananas? 3. 1, 2, 3. Here are our monkeys that went to look for bananas. And here are our monkeys that are still in the tree. There are 2 monkeys in the tree. That matches our cubes and our fingers. Did you notice that every time we did that problem, no matter what we used, what tools we used, we still ended up with the same answer? 3 of those monkeys still left. There was action happening in this problem. When we pictured it in our mind, did you picture 3 monkeys hopping out of the tree to go get bananas? So, making that picture in our mind to think about what's happening really helps us because this is a different type of problem. Usually we've been putting numbers together, but this time we took something away. When you go to the next slide, I'm going to give you a new problem to try that's similar to this one, and I want you to do that. Make a picture in your head.